Welcome. In this video, I'll tell you how to remove watermark in Viggle. Let's begin. First, open any web browser you like. For this video, I'm using Google Chrome. We'll be using a third-party website, so go to the search bar and type in Media.io. This platform lets you remove watermarks not only from Viggle, but from other sources too. Once you're on the official Media.io site, hover over the AI products option and click on Video Watermark Remover. You'll be redirected to the studio. Here, click on Upload and add the video from Viggle that contains the watermark. After uploading, use the brush tool to highlight the watermark just like I am doing it. The platform will then process and remove the watermark from your video. Remember, the final video quality depends on the original file. If the result is not satisfactory, you can use another app or website to enhance the video quality after the watermark has been removed. That's the full process to remove watermarks from Viggle videos in a simple and effective way. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.